Okay guys, so today we are finally getting the last of the things that we need to fix our house to sell it, and I'm so excited.
I like it because like the center, it's got the big crack over here.
Yeah, it looks, yeah.
Alright, good pump.
So we were able to get the vanity and the doors. Okay guys, so I'm going to try this cucumber. I cannot remember the variety, but a man from church gave it to us. He gave us like a whole bag of goodness from his garden, and it is, he said that a lady had given it to him, an old granny lady had gave it to him years ago, and he had saved some seeds from it, and then he had lost the seeds. He thought he had lost them, and he found them this year and planted some. So I'm gonna try it. It's some variety that she come up with herself, so it's just a little like white cucumber, but I'm so excited to try this. I'm making myself a salad for lunch, and figured this would be the perfect time to try it. He said it's really, really sweet, so let's cut it up. Alright, let's try it. It's pretty good. It's crunchier than what I thought. Crunchier than a typical cucumber. And make really good pickles. Definitely sweet. He said he'd save me some seeds from this, so I'm hoping that I'll get to plant these in my garden next year, and then I'll save the seeds, and we'll just keep this little heirloom growing. So here's what my salad looks like. I put like a homemade honey Dijon dressing that's like low carb, and then, are you okay? And then some Parmesan cheese, tomato, cucumber, fresh lettuce from the farmer's market, fresh tomatoes, fresh cucumber, all good.